An overview of the sales options in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will give you an overview of the sales options in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to Sales and click Orders. This page will show you all of the orders that have been placed. Go to Sales, then Invoices. Any available invoices will show up here. Go to Sales and click Shipments. All shipments will show up in the list below. Go to Sales and click Credit Memos. If there are any credit memos, they will show up here. Go to Sales, then Terms and Conditions. Checkout Terms and Conditions will show up here. To create a new one, scroll right. Click Add New Condition. Enter a name for the new condition. Set the status. Enter the checkbox text. Scroll down. Enter the content. Scroll right. Click Save Condition. The condition has been saved. This is the end of the tutorial. You have now seen an overview of the sales options in Magento Commerce.